So I think I have given this head already here. So what is the date here? F is equal to 12,900 face value and draw is equal to 3rd February 2004. Bill period 6 months and discount date is 13th March 2004. R is equal to 8%, that is equal to 0.08. You want to calculate discount variability and also calculate DG. Is that data? Now, to find calculate discount variability and DG, we require T. But T what required? Required LGD. Both required. Correct now? Right. Okay. Now, how to calculate LDD? What you will do it? Is a dot date plus bill period plus 3 days case. Well, dot year 3 2 2004 plus 6 months. 6 months plus 3 day grace. That become 6 8 2004. Is the due date. Now T is what T discount minus due. Discount given here 13 2004 and due is minus of 6 8 2004. Now how to subtract? Very important. Go to reverse side. First you take which month here? You take the month of March. So March, how many days remaining here? Remaining here 31 days, so 8 days remaining. March will be 18 days, and April it will be 30 days, and May it will be 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days. Now August will be 160 days. So total if you add, that become 146 days divided by 365, that become 0.4 years. So you got T value. So T is equal to 0.4 years. So once you got T value, remaining thing very easy. What you want to find? DVP. What is the formula DVP? DVP is equal to F minus of BD. So first we have to calculate BD. So we calculate BD here. So the BD is equal to FTR formula. F is 12,900. T value is 0.4. R value is 0.08. You calculate, that become 412.80. And now, therefore, what discount value will be? That is 12,900 minus 412.80. That becomes 12,487.20. This is discount value of the bill. Next comes to banker gain. So, what we done by banking formula? So, banker gain, again, there are three formulas are there. BD minus TD. For that, again, you can TD required. Again, TD you have to find B. Better go for this formula easy. You have to find TR whole square by 1 plus TR. That becomes F is 12,900. T is 0.4. This is 0.08 whole square by 1 plus 0.4 into 0.08. If you calculate the whole thing, it becomes 12.8. Calculation will be okay. They have to find BJ again. Now I got one more examples quickly. Now one more example. Example 4. A bill for rupees 3,500 for 3 months was drawn on 27 March 2012 and discount on 18 April 2012 at 7% per annum. Find BD and DBB is a question. Okay, in this question, now first of all, take the data. Data what is given here? So, what is given data here? Data face value given 3,500. Again, this is the bill period. So, bill period is equal to 3 months and is given draw date. So, draw is equal to 27/3/2012. Again, given discount date. Discount is equal to 18 April 2012 and R given. R is equal to 7 into 0.075 BD and DBB. Again, for this, we want to calculate P. For T, calculate LDB. Okay, so first we want to find LDB is equal to draw plus BT plus 3 days less. So draw is 27/3/2012 plus 3 days less plus 3 months. That becomes 36/2012. Now again you want to calculate T. So T is equal to discount minus due minus discount date. Due is already given. Is 36/2012 minus discount date. Discount date is 18/4/2012. Now subtract. That means how to subtract here? Go to reverse side. First you take this is the April. April already. April how many days? 30 days. 18 over. So remaining 8 will be 12 days. And April, May will be 30 days. And June will be 30 days. That become May will be 31 days, become 73 days. So therefore P is equal to 73/365. That is equal to 0.2 years. You got the value of P. Discount period. Now we use the formula very simple. So BD is equal to formula FTR. FL already known here. That is 3,500 into 2 into 0.07. That becomes rupees 49. This is banker discount, and you want to find discount value. Discount value is equal to F minus of BD. FL is 3,500 minus 49. That becomes 3,041. It's very easy to calculate. So once you calculate the remaining part, very easy. So quickly I go to the other last examples. Last example. This is what problem given? Is given that BG on a bill is 1/9 of BD and R is given as 10%. Find T. The question there in the textbook only. It is given that bank and gain. What is given here? It is given bank and gain is equal to 1/9 of banker discount. Given. R is given. R is given as 10%. That is 0.1. You want to calculate discount paid or unexecuted bill. Discount paid. We calculate here. What formula to use? Because you know BG formula, 3 formulas are there. BD minus TD. For that again you have to put P required. So better you have to use other formula is F into TR whole square by 1 plus TR is equal to 1/9 of FTR. So formula BD, formula BG. Cancel F on both sides. Now TR whole square by 1 plus TR is equal to 1/9 of TR. Again TR 1 chances. For the meaning TR by 1 plus TR is equal to 1/9. Now you go for your cross multiplication. What you get? 9 TR is equal to 1 plus TR. 1 plus TR. Take this side. So 9 TR minus 1 TR is equal to 1. 8 TR is equal to 1. Therefore, equal to 1 by 8 or that is 1 by 8 into 0.1 by 0.8, that is 1.25 years. Or you can write this 1 year, 3 months. This is the discount period. So like that, selection of formula is important and calculation is important, and also how to find discount rate is very important. So by this, I'm going to conclude this discussion of chapters, bill discounting. I hope all of you have followed very clearly. So first of all, I told you the concept has to be understood properly for the bill discounting. And I told you both sides the concept you have to remember. And again, for the due date, first comes due date, next comes discount, next comes the due date. You come orderly, and you know how to calculate different terms, bank discount to discount. Okay, and again calculate discount value bill, 2% value, how to find banker gain. Banking in 3 formulas are there. Please remember, selection formula is important here. So there are some standard problems in book. You just go through all these things, and I think you understood the whole lessons. So thank you for listening. Thank you.